Hello everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands, and I'm here at the allotment just to give you guys a quick and sweet update. These are the snow peas. They're starting to climb. As you guys can see, they're hanging on into the frame that I created, and it's starting to make its way up, and it's going to be amazing. Look how quickly, because we've been having some beautiful weather in the UK for the last couple of days, and things are starting to come. Oh, I'm not going to show you everything that I've put in, but I will definitely give you a full update soon. And let me show you the other ones that's on the other side that I put up with the other frame. Let me get over there and show you, and I know you guys can see all this beautiful sunshine that we're having right now. These are the other ones. Look how amazing they look. They are just starting to get going, and I'll be getting some peas soon, guys. Look at that. Look at the leaves. They're looking beautiful, looking strong. Let me just get rid of that bush out of the way. The bush is always trying to capture me out here. Look at that. Now that is a beauty. Quick and easy. Just a small update on the peas. They are looking good. And I'm looking to cover the whole of this area here with peas. That is amazing. That's beautiful.